Hmm. Gusto niya, oh. Bakit ba? Ano yan? Can you show me what is that? What's that? Ah, cereal bars. Eh, gabi na. Ba't nagsi-cereal bars ka pa? Sebastian? You want some more? Sebastian? Here's your cereal bar. Here it is. You want some more? Basti? Basti, oh. That one's not yet opened. Give mommy. Thank you. Give it that to mommy. Give that to me. Ay, ang kulit. Ang ganda naman ang smile mo. You found your new favorite food? Yay. Here. Gusto niya. Oh, isa pa? Yay! Ba?